Baningi kakhulu abantu abakhala ngento ehlekile iANC. Usiyamyeza yofanisa iANC nama-2000 ukuthi ethi umuntu efike 30 years kube umlando ukuthi wake waba muhle. Okubuhlungu kakhulu ngeANC ukuthi kwabathatha more than 8 years ukuze bafike emandleni. Kodwa ukufa kwabo khona kubathathe less than 30 years. E-East London kuwesi kakhulu ke khona ngoba kuthiwa kwaphuma ama-pamphlets bebhale ukuthi bazovotela iEFF kuma-by-elections.
Babona lento ehlela uANC into ehlela ama-2K kahle kahle. Ethi umuntu engakafiki na 30 years sekuwumlando ukuthi wakwaba mhle noma wayeshisa esikoleni. Yes, sas. uANC kuze ufike emandleni it took them more than 8 years, but ukufa kwabo it has less than 30 years. Ukuba nje nomlando ngoba phela yonke into right now it's a history about the ANC. Akusiwona uANC ophethizwe ugovernment we-national unity besiba no president from the African National Congress iqembu. And the way yongizima ngakhona ukurecover ngoba njengamanje badlana bodwa mabeyiduduza ke bebedlana bodwa bebulala iqembu bake bethini it is an ANC renewal by renew, they are renewing by like themselves. Hey kunzima kulelizwe. Yes sis, njengamanje nakho lapha lentozaneni eEast London. Kuthiwa ke njengoba besivumelene ke bahlali kusho uANC njalo base ward 20 kunama by election kusasa. Ngomhla we9 October 2024 sizakuvotela uSimphiwe Mbono iEFF singabahlali base ward 20 sidiniwe. Ujongelwa phansi sisikhokhelo sombutho olwayo awusukani ma futhi uANC obukela omunye uANC phansi yazi basinika oceba esingabafuniyo malibele nye bahlali sivotela uSimphiwe Mbono weEFF. Imagine what a disgrace, what a disgrace. Yabona lento yabaholi lena mina angiyazi lento yabo ukuthi yokuba greed ukuthi yophela nini yazi ukuthi abaya abantu they don't care bangamane badayisa ne-organization nangayona yonke into kunokuthi benze izinto ezi-right. I-greediness njengamanje abantu abanepower yokuthi bengakwazi ukuthi bavuse umbutho labo bantu labo they are not given an opportunity and abafuna ngempela nabo bane-greediness yabo. Shame. Ake sibone ukuthi kwenzakalana enkonfeni yar.